let's be real. Wearing heels all day can be painful. And that's exactly why I wanted a solution to that problem. So if you want to know what that is and how everything came to be, then keep on watching. So today I want to share with you the story behind how the no compromise inserts from Rōe Co came to be. This video I'm creating is all thanks to a couple of people that have tried the Rōe Co inserts and were curious to know why I came up with this idea of creating these inserts the way they are, meaning in two pieces, and why these shapes. So let's get into it. I've been working on this project for a very long time now. It started in 2018 now. So I've tried different types of products, as I mentioned previously, different types of product shapes and everything. We came up with different things, but you kind of had to sacrifice different things for different reasons. Meaning it's either the material would be super soft and cushiony, but it would take up too much space where you could possibly not put your foot into the shoe anymore because it was taking too much space. So those were the type of struggles that I had to navigate through. I don't even want to count the number of times where we started working on some type of project and we had to let it go completely because it was finding answers to one specific type of problem, but then it was creating a different type of issue somewhere else. So it was a lot of brainstorming. As I said, I work with different experts in their fields, so engineers, podologists, who else? I mean, I'm going, voila. Yeah, so it was different types of people that were involved in this project, which made it very, very interesting because you get to work with people who have different expertise in different type of fields, and bringing all the knowledge together is what made this experience very, very interesting and rich at the same time. In the end, I've decided to take a different route, meaning creating inserts that could fit in any type of shoes, because I didn't want this to be limited to a specific type of footwear that you would wear, because nobody wants to see a visible insert in an open shoe. So this is something that I had in mind while creating those inserts. For that reason, I was suggesting something quite discreet that almost looked like a sanitary pad. So this is one of the parts of the inserts. So it's got a very specific shape so that it can adapt to different positioning in the shoe. So you can either put it at the back of your heel as like this, or where your arch of your foot is, and right at the middle, depending on where you have the most pressure, and to create the least amount of arch or arching, or what's the word you use, in your heel, so that you have little to no gapping between the surface of your heel and your foot. So that was the reason why we created an insert in this shape. And with this type of insert, what is very convenient with this is that it can fit in any type of shoe. You will not be able to tell whether you have an insert or not in your shoe. So that was something that was very important to me. Also, what was important to me is to create a product that was versatile, meaning some product that can fit it for any type of foot and any type of shoes. So that is something that I had in mind while creating my inserts, to basically give the answer to any type of foot problem that someone could face. So this is one of the part of the insert, as I mentioned, that you can slide wherever you feel fits best for your needs and shoes and foot. So this comes with a sticky tape at the back that you peel off and you glue it to your shoe. That way it stays put and you don't have to worry about it in the morning when you're not completely awake. You just have to slide your foot in your heel and you're good to go. It's not gonna move. You don't have to worry about the placing. It's just in there and you're ready to go. So this is part 1 of the insert, and part 2 of the insert is this little oval shape type of insert that you place at the ball of your foot, where you have the most amount of pressure on your foot. And this has been typically designed to fit even the most open type of heels. So this way you can easily glue it where you have the most pressure on your foot. So that's the reasoning behind the 2-part insert. What I love the most, and I'm the most proud of about this whole idea or concept of insert, is that you can place them wherever you feel best for you. If you want to have them glued this way, one on top of the other, that's completely possible. If you want to wear just one part of it, that's completely up to you, or just this one. Basically, you get the gist. You do whatever you want with your inserts. How great of a concept, really. So that's that. And you know, the material is super soft and very flexible at the same time to give your foot the amount of cushioning and pressure that it needs. Also, what it does is prevents your foot from slipping out of your shoe because of this texture that you've got. So you may wonder why Rōe Co insert are the best bet. So we've had different things in mind, and for me what was really important was a material that is soft enough and flexible so that it can fit any type of heel, any type of foot. So that was crucial to me. I also wanted to make sure that it was an antibacterial type of surface and type of material, a non-slippery type of material as well. That way your foot doesn't slide out of your shoe while you walk. And I also wanted it to be moisture wicking so that we can avoid unnecessary discomfort and stuff like that. So these were everything that I wanted in one product. I think we've created just that, so I'm extremely proud of that, and I can't wait for you to try it for yourself and see how life-changing it can be to wear the right type of inserts that fit your specific needs. So voila, I can't wait for you to get back to me, share your insights, and always we're open to any feedback, something that you would want different. Anything is always good to hear from you, and always make sure that every step that you take is comfortable and confident. So until next time, take care of yourself. Bisous bisous.